Welcome to this installment on character and protagonists and introduction. Until now we have acquainted ourselves with a number of topics. Let me do a short recap. We have walked through the theoretical premises of intertextuality, the history of Quranic research and its current state of affairs, the main themes of the Quranic text, not least the status of God and lesser deities, various rhetorical genre-like similarities and differences, and as a kind of aside and complement, we have also been discussing the precarious status of Abrahamic religion, the category of Abraham, the status of resources and information search, plus the somewhat unlimited field of Bible, the somewhat unlimited field of non-biblical comparables, such as Manichaeism, Zoroastrianism, and Old Arabian religion. Now, this week's topic deals with a subject that we have already dealt with, namely character, or, to use Griffith's term, dramatis personae. The main protagonist of the Quran is, and the Bible one could argue, is of course God. But the character of God, or Allah, is complemented with a variety of characters, namely humans. One particular important character or protagonist is the Prophet. Not only is Muhammad cast as the Quranic prophet par excellence, but he has been augmented by a string of biblical and Arabian prophets. To rephrase Clifford Gertz's famous dictum, both can be said to be models for and models of each other. That is, the biblical prophets can function as models for Muhammad and his Quranic self-image, but also the other way around. That is, the biblical prophets in the Quran can function as models of Muhammad's own experience and challenges. The text for this week deals squarely with the stereotypicality and constructed nature of these characters and the relevance for their respective projects. Griffiths presents a short introduction to the Quran's main characters, several of whom belong to the most important ones in the Bible as well, both Old Testament and the New Testament. And the entry from Leland Ryken's Dictionary of Biblical Imagery presents us with an overview of character and their relevance for this kind of study. These were the words for this installment. Enjoy your reading.